feeling
feel?
very, very excited.
Uh-huh.
I had a good head buzz leaving the first appointment. Very excited because it was one of the best calls, I think, in my sales career to go into a new customer and get and him to tell me he needs samples right away is fantastic.
Can you
Yeah, Kevin, how does
take
that? How does the call make you feel, Kevin?
We can meet with them in
I
China.
feel excited.
Excited.
It's really good start.
They have fully confidence in our rotary actuators sales and marketing in the US, right?
Right.
Okay, we open the door and now we are going to the next station. Okay, let's go.